Welcome to qnawire.
One very powerful use of functions is through mathematical models. Um, and what we often see is that we're given some function, let's call it c of x perhaps, and we're given a lot of information. So maybe 90x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4, something like that. And perhaps this models some interesting phenomenon that we're being told about for the problem. And ultimately, there's a few things that are asked of us. Sometimes we're asked to evaluate the function at a certain value. So we could have, let's say, at 20. So find c of 20. Then this tells us we can plug in 20 to each of these values, and it'll tell us what the value of our function is at x equals 20. And you could do this by hand, or you could use a calculator to do it. Another thing we can do is look at the domain and range, and that will be all the x values covered, which is all real numbers. And that would be the same thing with the y values. However, sometimes in realistic scenarios, there's only certain domains that actually make sense.